Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lage Raho. In today's class we are learning linear programming problem L.P.P 6 mark question, dear students. So let us see the fifth question what that asked. So now see here, solve the following problem by graphically. Minimize and maximize z is equal to 5x plus 10y subject to constants x plus 2y is less than or equal to 120, x plus y is greater than or equal to 60, x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0, x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. So this is a very good question, dear students. How to solve, you see here properly. So now see here, see we have to draw the graph. Graph means we require points. So first we have to take the subject to constants here. So I have to minimize and maximize z, dear students. So that means minimize and maximum is nothing but, maximize is nothing but minimum value and maximum value of z we have to set. So how to find, you see here, subject to constants x plus 2y is what? Less than or equal to 120 is there, dear students. X plus 2y less than or equal to 120 ideyalla, idana equal to 120 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first. So what we have to do? We have to make this as equal to 120, dear students. X plus 2y, that is what? X plus 2y is equal to 120, dear students. Clear? So first you equate this to what? Equate it. Equating means what? Equal you have to make. ಇಲ್ಲಿ less than or equal to ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Equal ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು for finding the points. First you have to make this equal and then you can find the points, dear students. So now let us see how to find. I will show you one by one. If you are not understanding, you can ask me. So if I put x value as 0, x value if I put as 0, what will happen here? You see, x value is 0, 0 plus 2y is equal to 120. 0 plus 2y is 2y, 2y is equal to 120, 2 1 ja 2, 60 is our, dear students. So how much you got here? Y value 60 we got, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. So now you put up. Now you put y as 0. X you have put at 0. Now you put y as 0. What will happen? You see, x plus 2 into y. Y is how much, dear students? Y value is 0. Y is taken as 0 is equal to 120. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0 is equal to 120. X plus 0 is x. X is equal to how much? 120, dear students. You got 120 answer. ಇದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಮ್ಮೆ x is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ y ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. y is equal to 0 you put, x ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 120. You will get x value as 120 when you are keeping y is equal to 0. I hope it is clear for you. So this one is not required. No need of writing. For your understanding purpose I had shown you. So whatever I will say, no, that much only you write in exam, dear students. So I will make you to write which I will say, no, that much only you write. 6 ikkadana baribedi. So now see here, x plus y is equal to what? Equal to 60 we can make. Next is also make this greater than or equal to 60 is the, no, you equate it. Equating means what? Equal to 60 we made. So now see, dear students, how we will get the points. X, y, then you see, x value you keep it as 0. If I keep x value as 0, 0 plus y, that is what? Y is equal to how much? 60 we got, dear students. 0 plus y is what? Y is equal to 60 we got. So y value you keep it as 0. Y if you keep it 0, see, x plus 0, y value is 0. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, y value ಅನ್ನು 0 ಹಾಕಿ. x plus 0 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. x plus 0 x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x is equal to how much? 60 you got, dear students. Understood? This is simple. That's why I have not done more simplification. I have not shown. I hope you will understand. So x minus 2y. Next one more is there. X minus 2y is equal to what? 0. This one you should not use this. Just these are a non-negative constant, dear students. Non-negative constants. So that means you should not use this one. Only 3 equation you use. So now see how to solve this one. So x, y I will take. So if I keep x value as 0, see here, x value I will keep 0, 0 minus 2y is equal to 0. Yes sir, x value I am keeping it here 0, 0 minus 2y is equal to 0 I got. 0 minus 2y is how much? Minus 2y is equal to 0. So y is equal to how much? 90% students will write 2 dear students. That is exactly wrong. That is y is 0. So why it is 0 you know. So it will go down dear students. Minus 2 will go down. So that 0 by minus 2 is 0 dear students I am saying. Y value is 0. Are you understanding my point what I am saying? Clear है कि नहीं? So ಭಾಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ y is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. 2 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So because it's a multiplication is there. Multiplication ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ RHS. Understood? So that's why y value will become on 0 dear students when x is 0. I hope it is clear everyone. सबको चमका के नहीं ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋಗೆ. So now see y value. So I will keep x is equal to 40 dear students. X value if I keep 40, what will happen? If you want any number you can take. I like 40, that's why I taken. If you want you can change the number also, you can work. So x is 40 or x is 20 you can take, otherwise it is easy for you to write. X is 20 you can take. X is 20 you can make. X is 20. Clear? X is 20. 20 minus 2y is equal to 0. X is 20. X is 20. 20 minus 2y is equal to 0. Chamka sabko? So now minus 2y you take this side, that will become plus 2y, and 2 1 ja 2 10 ja dear students. Y value will become how much? 10. I hope it is clear. So now how to find? You understood the points. These are the points required for our graph dear students. Now what is written on the board? No. So this much only you have to write from here onwards in board exam. So what I will say that much. Simplification not required. For your use you can do in rough area. Wherever rough is there no, you use there. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೇಗೆ ತೆಗೆಯೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. I hope all of you have written that side. So we will show the graph now by using these points. So now let us see. My graph is not good. I know that because I am doing freehand dear students. Please don't draw at my graph. So now I will draw here. So this is our y-axis you think. And this is our x-axis. Correct? This is the y and this is y dash and this is x dash and this is x dear students and this is 0 origin. So where the line x axis and y axis will intersect, no, that point is called as origin. So now see here, we will say what is the bigger value here dear students? X is 120 is the more, as in all the points. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ x 120 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ 120 ತನಕ ನಾವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ x is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 dear students. Arthaita? So all of you have understood this, sir. Points are taken. So now see, maximum value of y is 60 here, 60, and 60 is the highest. So I can go for 60 now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And if you want, you can go for one more also, 70. So no problem if you not write 70 also. So each unit on x-axis is taken as what? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units we have taken dear students. So here also y-axis is also 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, dear students. Now see here. First, x value is 0, y value is how much? X value is 0, y value is 60, 0, 60. It will come here, dear students. 0, 60. X is 0, y is 60 is here. Clear? So that is clear. So now x is what? 120. Y is 0. Y is 0 here only. So that is 120, 0, dear students. I will join them. See here. It's a freehand diagram. So we have drawn this. Now this line everyone know that. This line is what? This line is x plus 2y is equal to 120, dear students. Clear? So now this line contains origin or not? That is very much clear we have to do. So एस्टो मಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ origin ಯಾವ side ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ गुरता ಇಲ್ಲ. बहुत बच्चे को ये मालूम ही नहीं origin कैसा जाता है, कहाँ जाता है. So now देखो. So first of all I will show this is not required to write. For your understanding purpose I am writing. So this is given x plus 2y is less than or equal to 120 is given. Yes sir. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? So inequality is given. So now in this put x and y equal to 0, dear students. X equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Put. So what will happen here? X is 0, 2 into 0 less than or equal to 120. 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 is less than 120. So V is showing where face? It is on towards 120. V is showing on 120 or not? So that means 0 is 120 is greater than 0. V yakadi ತೋರಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So ಈಗ 120 0 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? 120 बड़ा है क्या नहीं है 0 से? V किस तरफ मुंह दिखा रहा है ना वो बड़ा रहता है. So that means 120 is greater. This is true. A सत्य हुआ. ಇದು ಕರೆ ಆದ್ರೆ. So it contains origin, dear students. What? Contains origin. It contains what? Origin, dear students. For your understanding I am saying this. This is not required to show also. So origin is where? Here. That means shading will come downward, dear students. Shading. Can you see this? Shading is coming downward. I will not shade it up, but I will show you how the shading. I know that I am taking more time, but understanding is very, very important, dear students. You know that. So each point is required how to solve this graph. Because whenever I saw all the papers, many of the students are writing very wrong. So this is also not required for your understanding purpose written. So next is what? Next. Now let us plot the points 0, 60 already plotted 0, 60 and next is what? 60, 0. 60, 0. Here it is. 60, 0. X is 60, y is 0 here. So now you join them. So we have to join this. Yes, we have joined. It's a rough diagram. I had already told you. I am sorry for that. This is that. And we have to check whether this line is containing origin or not. So now see here. X plus y is greater than or equal to 60 it was. X plus y is greater than or equal to 60 or not. So now again you put x and y value as 0. 0 plus 0. 0 is greater than 60. 0 is greater than 60. V किस तरफ मुंह दिखा रहा है 0 के तरफ. 0 is greater than 60 है. V ಅಕಡೆ ಮಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 0 ಕಡೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ 60 ಗಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. So this is not there. This is false, dear students. That means it will go upwards, dear students. It is not containing origin. It does not contain origin. Origin को contain नहीं करता. Origin ना contain ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So origin ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. So that's why it will go upward, dear students. So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So if you are understanding this, please like the channel, dear students, because each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So you know that. So it is totally free of cost, dear students. So please help me and support me. So I will help you in this. Fine. So I hope you will do like the channel. So now see here. This line is what? This line is x plus y is equal to 60, dear students. X plus y is equal to 60. This line is this what you have drawn. Correct? So now x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 0, 0 means here it will come. Correct? Next, x is 20, y is 10 now. X is 20, y is 10 means here it will come. So I will draw the line for this. It will move like this. Fine. So it is moving like this straight line. So now this line is nothing but what? Okay, I will write here only on the line. So x minus 2y is equal to 0, dear students. I hope it is clear. Everyone understood? X minus 2y is equal to 0, this line. Now in this area, can you see this both the lines are x plus 2y is equal to 120, x plus y is equal to 16. ಇವೆರಡು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ अर्थ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? फिजिबल रीजन का मतलब इसमें का कौन सा भी पॉइंट ले लो, इन दोनों को सेटिस्फाई करता है वो इक्वेशन को. इधर ಒಳಗಿನ ಯಾವುದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x plus y ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 ಇತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ. x ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 80, y how much? 10 you take. X is 80, y is 10. How much it is? 90 or not? 90 is greater than 60, no? V showing on this side. That means shading is satisfying, dear students. ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಈ x plus 2y is equal to 120, x plus y is equal to 60. ಇವೆರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 90 less than 120 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? yes or no? less than or equal to 120 ಬರ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ. so that's why you can say this is what satisfying the condition. These both the areas, but feasible region says what? Feasible region says, dear students, feasible region means both it should have to satisfy, including this line also. This is also subject to constants. That's why we have defined the feasible region is what? The common region determined by what? Determined by constants including non-negative constant, dear students. So it will satisfy constants also. This is also constant. So that means this also should be satisfied. You ಮೂರನ್ನು satisfy ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. तीनों को satisfy करना है. And this line कैसा आता है? और ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಥವಾ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ? So maximum are having this only problem. सब बच्चे को यही प्रॉब्लम है, ऊपर ज्यादा है कि नीचे आता है एरिया, इस तरफ. Easily I will teach. Please listen carefully how to shade up. It is going upward or downward. In this video you will learn in Maths Lage Raho properly. Now see here how we will say this should be satisfied. This both are satisfied already. This is what x minus y 2y is. I will see it is less than or equal to, that is greater than or equal to 0 is there, dear students. This. So now, sir, I don't know how to take here points. Leave the points, no problem. Sir, ನಾವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತರ 80,10 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ. Not required. मेरा जैसा पॉइंट्स लेने को नहीं आता. ठीक है, छोड़ो. So अब कैसा करेंगे? दूसरा, without taking those points. At least you know these points 0,60, 60,0, 120,0. ये तीनों तो दिख रहे हैं. 0,60, 60,0, 120,0. ಮೂರು ವರೆಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವು. At least इधर बरता. So now any one you say, I will put and I will show. If it is satisfying, then 100% that side only shading will go. ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆನೇ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? सिंपल आयता? ತಿಳಿತಿ? सो नाउ सी इन तीनों में पॉइंट्स में कौन सा भी इसमें डाला ना, किस तरफ वो सेटिस्फाई करता है उस तरफ ही सेटिंग होता है बोल रहा हूं. सो नाउ लेट अस सी, we'll put this 0,60 One point is taken as what? 0, comma 60. X is what? 0. Y is 60. So now you put 0, 2 into 60. So now how much you will get? Minus 120. And how much you will get this? Minus 0 minus 120 is minus 120 is greater than or equal to 0. Will you agree or not? If I put this, you are getting this minus 120 is greater than 0. Minus 120 greater than 0 ಇದೆ झूठ है. That means ಸುಳ್ಳು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. minus 120 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is not possible, dear students. That's why shading will not come here. This will come automatically. Here only shading will come. Sir, how you are saying shading is coming here? Now you show and satisfy the condition. Dear students, I will show and I will satisfy you. Now see here, listen carefully. What it was? X minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. Now you put this. X value is how much? 60. Y value is 0. 60 minus 2 into 0. I am taking 60 comma 0 now. Sir, how it will satisfy? You are asked, no? I will show you now. See. 60, 2 into 0, 0. 60 minus 0, 60. 60 is greater than 0 or not? Satisfying or not? This is what I am saying. If you want, you can put 120 also. Now see here. I will put x is 120, 2 into y value is how much? 0. And how much you got? 120 is greater than 0 or not? 60 is greater than 0, 120 is greater or not? So then shading will go where? It will come here, dear students. Can you see? Shading is coming here. I hope everyone are understood today. So if you are understanding, my only one request, please like the channel and comment me whether you are understanding or not. Got it? ಮನಸ್ಸ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I am helping you. Similarly, please help me also. So this is the shading region. Now corner points, sir. Corner points कैसा आता है? How to take the corner points now? So now see here, corner points, dear students. Where shading will go, no? That is taken as what? Corner points. Shading corners. See here. Here it is their corner. This is one corner point. This is another corner point. And this is also their corner point. And this is already we got two. That is what? 60, 0, 120, 0. These are the corner points. I mean, I hope you are seeing this. Bigger holes are there. Dark circles bigger. So these are called as corner points 4. And this is not a corner point. Why it is not corner point? ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀವಿ. ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತ್ತಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಲಿ ಮೂಲಿಗೆ अर्थ आयता? समझ में आ रहे हैं सबको? कॉर्नर पॉइंट से क्यों नहीं हुआ? इधर शेडिंग नहीं है. Shading where it will be there, no? There only we can say it is a corner points, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now, this is not required to write. What I will say that much only you write in exam. These ये आपको समझाने के लिए लिख रहा हूँ मैं. So now कितना बोर्ड में लिख रहा है ना, दिख रहा है ना आपको? ये दोनों इतना ही लिखना था एग्जाम में, समझे? और भी है, मैं बोलता हूँ कैसा. So these two corner points I got. I have to find this and this. So now maximum students you will do this. हाँ सर, यहाँ से कितना है? 55 है सर, यहाँ से 35 है सर. I know how much you will also draw. I will also draw. नहीं होता. Sometimes we will get fraction also in what? L.P.P. That is linear programming problem, dear students. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. So first you find the points, then you can join the points. Otherwise, so now see here, these 2 points are there. How to find these 2 points I will say you. Please copy this. Let us continue. Fine. So I will pause the video for note it down. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see, dear students, how to find this corner point. Already you got these 2 corner points. So let us call them as what? This is A, this is B, and now let us see, we will find C and D also, dear students. This is a D, you can say this point. Fine. So now see how we will find. How to find this C value, dear students? C nanga kannadibeka. So this line, this intersection point, I have to find this one. Correct? Are you seeing this one? Why to wait now? I will do this side. Okay. Now I have to find this corner pointer. So now see here. How to find this? This pointer is meeting with this line and this line. Can you see this line and this line? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಲೈನ್? x plus 2y is equal to 120. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು? x minus 2y is equal to 120. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. वो दोनों को सॉल्व करना है इक्वेशन को, then you will get the points. So I will get you see here x plus 2y is equal to 120. सर इसको ही क्यों सॉल्व करना है? बिकॉज ये पॉइंट है ना, दोनों को इधर ही मिला है, ये दोनों लाइन के साथ, इसके साथ मिला नहीं था, इसके साथ मिला है वो, समझे? ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡಿದೆ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ x plus y is equal to 60. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವೆರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That you will get what? Intersection point. So x minus 2y is equal to 0. So now see, add them. X plus x, 2x plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. 120 plus 0 is 120. X value is what? 2 1 ja, 2 60 ja. X value we have got 60. So you can put this value in this equation or this. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now you can put and see. I will put in this x minus 2y is equal to 0 is there. X value is how much? 60 minus 2y is equal to 0. Y value will become how much? Minus 2y you take this side plus 2y. 2 1 ja, 2 30 ja. So x is how much? 60. Y value will become how much? 30. So then x is 60, y value is 30, dear students. I hope you have understood how we got this point. X is 60, y is 30. This is also not required to show in board exam. So for your understanding purpose I am writing. Fine. So now next we will see. Next point, this one I have to find. These 4 points are there. So already we got 2, 1, 3. So one more is there now. So D, how to find, you see. D, this point is meeting with which line? X plus y. This is x plus y. Don't get confused. This is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 60 is meeting with which line? X minus 2y. So this point is meeting with these 2 points. I mean 2 lines. That is x plus y is equal to 60. Another is x minus 2y is equal to 0. Clear? So now subtract them. Subtract now. So minus into plus is minus plus x minus x get cancelled. Minus into minus plus 2y plus y, that is 3y. Understanding? Minus into minus plus 2y plus 2y plus y 3y. Minus into 0 only, minus 0, right or not? 60 minus 0 is what? 60 only. 3 1 ja, 3 20 ja, dear students. Y value has become what? 20. Y value is 20 या x अल्ला, y value है x नहीं. आप ऐसा लिखते हैं 20 कॉमा, मैं बहुत बच्चे को देखा हूँ 30,60 लिखते हैं इतना करने के बाद भी. मानना चाहिए आपको, सच्ची गुस्सा आता है. So you have to understand properly. No, if you are not understanding, comment me. I will explain you. But listen carefully and do properly. Please आपको हाथ जोड़कर बोलता हूँ, मार्क्स लूज मत करो बोर्ड्स में. फाइन? अगर नहीं समझ रहे तो आप फिर से कमेंट करो मुझे, सर मुझे समझा नहीं, और एक बार समझाओ करके बोले तो और एक वीडियो करता हूँ मैं इसके ऊपर. Don't worry. I am there with you always. Fine. So now see here. Y value you keep it here in this. I will keep in this only. So you can put this or this. Anyone you can. Sir मैं इसमें डालता हूँ बोले हाँ डालो जी, सेम ही आता है आंसर, कुछ भी फर्क नहीं. So now see, I will put and I will show in this only first. X plus y is equal to 60. Y is what? 20. Y value 20 है ना, इसमें डाला मैं. So plus 20 you take that side, minus 20. X value will become how much? 40. So x is 40, y is 20. Clear? So I hope you understood intersection point. So let us continue the session now. So now we have to draw the table, dear students. So now you see corner points how to find. So table will make corner points you have already know everyone. So now see corner points you write. So now z is what? 5x plus 10y, dear students. So how many corner points we are having now? 4 are there, no? One more we will take. So I hope you are understanding. I think so. A is what? A is that 60, 0. B is 120, 0. C is 60, 30. And D is 40, 20, dear students. अगर चाहिए तो इसको भी नाम दे दो. E, if you want. E is not taken. That's why I have not mentioned it. So now see, sir, how to solve this one now? Why I have written Z? This only we have to maximize and minimize, dear students. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು maximum minimum value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ. So now we put here x value. This is what x 60, 0 first. A. X is 60. Y is how much? 0. So you put in this. So z is equal to c. Those who are not getting, I will say you 5x plus 10y is there. X is how much? 60. Y is how much? 0. 5 6 30. 0 और एक है 0 लिखो. 10 into 0 0. Don't write 100. 0 is there, sir. You only told 5 6 30. 0 is there. 0. 10 into 1 is 10 और one more 0 है 100. नहीं 10 into 0 is 0. So 300 plus 0 is 300, dear students. We got 300. I hope it is you are understanding what I am doing. Next point you put. Next point is what? Can you see? Next point 120, 0 is there, no? X is 120 now. X is 120. Y is 0. 12 5s are 60. One more 0 is there. Written 10 into 0 is 0. 600 plus 0 600, dear students. So next is what? Next one more is there. Two more are there. Sorry. So now next two more you put here. 5 into 60. 10 into 30. So how much you will get? 5 into 60 is 300. 10 into 30 is 300, dear students. So we got 600. 600 we got. So next is 40, 20, dear students. 40, 20. You put now 5 into 40. 10 into 20. So kitna hai? 5 into 40 is 200. 10 into 20 200. So 200 plus 200 400. We got 400, dear students. I hope you understood what values we have got. So here light is reflecting, dear students. This is 600. Don't get confused. This one इधर नहीं दिख रहा है आपको. 600 है. हाँ. So now these two are what? Maximum in this. Highest value these are only maximum. Max means maximum. छोटा कौन सा है? 300. This is minimum. I hope you are understanding. So then you have to conclude this one. Therefore, maximum value of z is 600 at what? B 120, 0 and C 60, 30, dear students. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So please comment me if you are understanding. Otherwise I will not understand whether you are understanding or not. And don't end here only. So I mean conclusion carries 1 marker, dear students. Don't forget. So now see here. Minimum value of z is how much? Z is 300 at कौन सा point? At 60, A is at A 60, 0, dear student. And this carries 6 marks in board exam. Whatever now you are saying no on the board, this much is required in exam, dear student. This one, that points I had written no first. That is it. I hope you have understood everything from this video, dear students. I think you will support and help me. If you have understood anything from this video, ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ. And those who are newcomers, please subscribe my channel. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support and help me. Fine. So thank you, dear students. We will meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.